Hi everyone, welcome to my first Java tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to take input from user. So today I'm going to be using NetBeans 8.2 as a Java tutorial for today. It's free to download, so if you want to follow along, you can. So what we're going to be using to take input from the user, it's going to be called a scanner object. So what you want to do, you want to do scanner, and then you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name it in. It's going to equal new scanner. And you have to put system.in, right, in your parentheses, or parameters as they like to call it, because the system.in what tells you to wait until you inputted something. So it's like a keyboard. It's connected to your keyboard, so when you input something, it's there. So for the scanner object, what you need to do is you need to import it into java.util. So you need to import java.util scanner, and that should make it good. So now for the fun part is to take input from user. So you can take an input from user using an integer value or numbers. You can take input user using string, or you can take it using a character or a single character is what I like to call it. So if you want to do an integer, you do int, let's just say I. And what you have to do is you have to set I equal to in.next int. And what that allows you to do is it takes your in character, which you created in your scanner object. The in is your variable, is what it's called, your variable used in your scanner object. And what you have to do, it's connected to your, I'd like to say it's connected to your keyboard, and you're telling it to take next int right here. So next int says it's a number, so treat it as a number. Don't accept anything else other than a number. So if you want to do a string, for example, you just do string and whatever s. And you set s is going to be equal to in dot and then next line. And that will take a string value from the user. You can also use a char method. So char, let's just say compute equals new, okay, so in dot next dot char at, and then end it right there. Nope, hang on, let me just double check. Compute in dot next chart. Oh, see, I don't have a parentheses. Okay. See, that's just some things you run into when you're programming. Some things don't seem to work, but it's always important to just double check your work to make sure it's running smoothly. So to check to see if the program's working, what you're going to do, well, what I do is I do sout. I just type in sout, and then I do tab as one of the features to make system.out print line, so I don't have to type it all out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to request an integer and a string value and a character from the user, like this. I'm going to say first type int value followed by string and next and character value. And then when that's all said and done, you just do sout, and then you will do sout. Just gonna say your integer is. Then you gotta concatenate that, is what it's called, and say I. And then if you want to do this, you can just say your string is, and then you gotta concatenate that as well, s plus, lastly, your character value is, and then plus compute. For some reason it's not working. Hang on. Oh wait. Okay, that's why, because I forgot to add a little concatenation right there. Okay, and everything should be good. Let's check it out. So first integer, so you want to do, let's say 5, string. Oh, so right here they just took the first letter of my variable, or the first letter of my string. Your string is, character is, oh, right here, yeah, it took the 5, but then I just have to add a space right there. Your string is, I said string. Well, I think, let me try this again. Compute, so it should be int, take your input here, and takes the input here, stores it. Oh, okay, no, that's right, because the next int always has to be after your next line variable, or char. I'm just going to say next char. I'm going to try that out. Because the buffer has to be cleared in order for it to proceed to the next. So let's try that out. So this time I should type in a string, and then and then a, and then 6. Let's try that. Yep, my integer is 6. Your string is string. Yep, and the character is a. Perfect. Yeah. So the reason why you have to put int next after all this is because the next line clears the buffer for you so that you can proceed to your next declaration, I guess, or your next command to the program. And yeah, any video notes will be linked in the description below. And if you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. And sorry, this video is a bit raw, but this is my thinking method as a beginner programmer, and this is how my mind goes, if you will. So this really helps you to get another person's perspective on programming if you're struggling yourself. So I also want to add in there that one mistake I made as a beginner programmer was I used multiple scanner objects, which you don't need to do. You only need to use one scanner for each object. For some reason, I just thought each scanner correlates with a new variable, but that's not true. So thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it and enjoy. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.